the Bishop of Jaipur, Reverend Father Edward and Father Thomas, respected fathers, reverend sisters, loving parents and my dearest children, a very good evening to all. We welcome you all for the inauguration of the St. Anselm School in Ichana City. First is God. It is also unites himself to God. So, now let us begin our program with a prayer song. I invite sisters and teachers to sing the prayer song. Holy Spirit, we are in your presence. Fill us with your power. Live inside of me. Welcome, Holy Spirit. We are in your presence. invite Sister Teresa to give the welcome speech.
Rain signifies uniformity. Flower signifies beauty. Sun signifies brightness in life. Moon signifies peace. Day signifies beginning. But this evening signifies this evening. This grand evening. Respected Right Reverend Dr. Oswald Lewis, the Bishop of Jaipur and the President of Gnanadeep Educational Society, Reverend Father Edward, Reverend Father Thomas, and all the fathers, sisters, brothers, and my friends, a very good evening to all. Many makes many things memorable. Every heart belongs to sweet memories. Every family gathering is such an occasion which leaves remarkable memories, which brings profound joy, deep sense of belongingness. Today, here is our inaugural celebration of St. Anscombe School, Kuchaman City. We are going to witness the most amiable and the most glorious moments of our school. As we all know, school is the temple of knowledge. St. Anscombe School joyfully works to mold, to reshape, to remake, and to construct the most beneficial future citizens of our nation. It's a great pleasure to welcome our beloved chief guest, Right Reverend Dr. Oswald Lewis, the Bishop of Jaipur. He is the man of wisdom and knowledge. His Excellency is simple, pious, and exemplary. He shows his paternal care and keen interest in the development of the school. Dear Lordship, we welcome you from the bottom of our hearts. We welcome you, dear Lordship. At this joyful occasion, our heart, mind, and soul turns towards our beloved fathers, brothers, sisters, for your great love towards this institute. We experience your encouragement and support at each moment. We are greatly privileged to welcome you, so we welcome you, dear fathers, brothers, and sisters. We welcome dear parents for your constant encouragement, kindly support. We extend a warm welcome to you, dear beloved parents. Eventually, we welcome you all with a great heart blessed in your presence. Thank you very much.
जैसे हर कार्य, हर शुभ कार्य ईश्वर की कृपा से ही शुरू होता है और हम सभी भगवान से प्रार्थना करते रहते हैं हर कार्य सफल हो, सुंदर हो और फलप्रद हो। तो इसलिए जैसे कि आज का कार्यक्रम प्रार्थना के साथ शुरू ही हुआ है, फिर भी एक चोटी और प्रार्थना करते हुए प्रभु से यही आशीष मांगते हैं कि वे हमारे इस स्कूल को आशीष दें हमारे बच्चों पर अपना आशीष बरसाएं, माता पिता अभिभावकों पर भी अपना आशीष बरसाएं। इस प्रकार हम सभी प्रभु की छत्र छाया में रहते हुए प्रभु के नियमों के अनुसार करते हुए ये विद्या का ये कार्य संभाल सकें। तो इसलिए समस्त विद्या का प्रभु ईश्वर अपना अधिक गहरा ज्ञान देने के लिए हमें विभिन्न रीति से ले चलता है। वह ज्ञान उसने हमारे लिए शरीरधारी अपने पुत्र में एक प्रकार से पूर्ण बना दिया है। परंतु जिस विद्या ज्ञान तथा सिद्धांत की अधिक गहराई से छानबीन करने में मनुष्य का मन रम जाता है, उसका लक्ष्य होना चाहिए सत्य को पाना और ईश्वर की आराधना करना। इसलिए हम सत्य की खोज करने, उसे सीखने और फैलाने के लिए निर्दिष्ट इस विद्यापीठ सेंट एंसलम स्कूल पर आज ईश्वर का आशीष मांगते हैं कि जो कोई बालकों अथवा बच्चों को यहाँ शिक्षित करने के लिए ग्रहण करेंगे, वे उन्हें मानव ज्ञान को सुसमाचार के सत्य से समन्वित करना सिखाएं, जिससे वे सत्य विश्वास को स्वयं मन में सुरक्षित रखें और आचरण तथा जीवन में उसे प्रकट कर सकें। इसलिए हम प्रार्थना करते हैं कि प्रभु हमारे शिक्षकों पर अपना आशीष बरसाएं, हमारे बच्चों की देखरेख करें, उन्हें ज्ञान बुद्धि शक्ति दें और इस प्रकार हमारे बच्चों को सुसज्जित करते हुए वे बच्चों की रक्षा करें। इसलिए हम सब मिलकर ये प्रार्थना करें। हे सर्वशक्तिमान प्रभु ईश्वर, दयापूर्वक हमारी प्रार्थना सुन ले। हमारे बच्चों को जो सेंट एंसलम स्कूल द्वारा शिक्षा प्रदान की जाएगी, उन्हें ज्ञान से विकसित कर विज्ञान की प्रगति प्रोत्साहित करने तथा साहित्य की शिक्षा में उन्नति करने के लिए उन्हें मदद कर यह स्कूल ज्ञानपीठ बन जाए, यहाँ जहाँ शिष्य और शिक्षक सत्य के वचन से प्रशिक्षित होकर क्रिस्ती जीवन के आदर्श का अनुसरण करें तथा सारे हृदय से प्रभु ईश्वर को माने, उन पर विश्वास करते हुए उनका आशीष पाएं। यह प्रार्थना करते हैं प्रभु ईश्वर के द्वारा। आमीन।
Let us do it again. It's the town. one more party. Let's go party. Where Bobby?
I'm having so much fun.
Where Bobby? You just get started.
Oh, I love you, Ken.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
The Bishop of Jaipur Diocese and the President of Gnanadeep Educational Society, Reverend Father Edward, Reverend Father Thomas, Reverend Father Melvin, Reverend Father Melvin Saldana, Reverend Sisters, my dearest loving parents, and my dear children, a very good evening to every one of you. St. Anselm School in Kuchaman City. St. Anselm School, Kuchaman City is one of the many Christian minority institutions under the management of the Gnanadeep Educational Society, Jaipur. Success of a nation depends on education of its people. At St. Anselm School, we have a system of education that emphasizes the importance of tolerance, respect and love for teachers, parents and fellow human beings. The quality of education is characterized by creation of the capacity for lifelong learning by looking beyond books and conventional way of teaching. Excellent infrastructure and highly qualified teachers precisely strive tirelessly to create good citizens. At the primary level, we nurture the natural talents of students by conducting activities that stimulate their minds. This helps in laying the foundation for the conceptual learning, problem-solving ability, and logical thinking at a later stage. It also enables our students to think locally and globally in all kinds of social settings. The school is co-educational and imparts education through the medium of English. The school has classes from nursery to 3rd class. The academic session is from April to March. The aim of the St. Anselm School. The aim of the St. Anselm School is to provide boys and girls a sound moral, intellectual, physical and social education as to bring out the best in them with the emphasis on all-round development and thus enable them to become responsible members of the society. St. Anselm School, Kuchaman City aims at producing good individuals with the conscience to maintain unity and to encourage diversity to achieve high standards in every facet of human life. The vision of St. Anselm School: to motivate the young India to grow to serve humanity in humility and work for the social, intellectual, economic and political upliftment of each and every Indian and carry India to our highest potential. The mission of St. Anselm School. Our mission is to reach the ideals of education to the nook and corner of this historical city of Kuchaman and incorporate the latest technological development with quality education and carry out the successful all-round development of every student and the activities conducted for the students fall outside